Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. And if you can see by the title and the thumbnail, you know what time it is. Wig season is upon us. I know. It's been months since I did a wig video, and I'm not gonna lie, my hair needs a little bit of a break. Hey, talk about the braids. Okay, anyways, let's get on into today's unit. You already know, when I was gonna come back with the wigs, I came back with none other than UNice hair. I'm praying there's a wig cap in here. I don't care if it's a light skin wig cap. I just need one because I need a new one. So we're doing a curly unit today. We'll get into that in a second, but let's see what's on inside this bag here. Oh, yes. So they gave us a little knot comparison. This is what the bye-bye knots look like on their wigs. And these are normal knots. You can see how much darker they are. All right, so let's get started. Let's just put this wig cap on my head. Do-rag is on. And if you're not new here, you know what I'm about to do. But if you are new here, I cannot sing Ruby Kisses praises enough. I have the cream foundation in the color 16. Yep, color 16 for my dark skinned girlies. And I'm just going to put that all around here so that it blends seamlessly with my skin color. Sickness and poverty must flee. All right, bald-headed baddies to the front. Okay, so I know we all love a middle part bust down 30-inch. We're switching it up, okay? We're going with the middle part curly. Why is curly hair not called bust downs? What do y'all have against them? All right, so they gave me an extra wig band, and I wanna say these are ear tabs. This is our queen. This is a 13 by 4 inch bye-bye knots glueless wig. Pre-everything, pre-cut, pre-bleached. You guys know how I feel about cutting the lace off of my wigs. Already done, already done. All right, we're gonna do a knot check. Knot check. Period. Okay, all right. So what I'm gonna do before I even put this on my head, I'm going to use the same Ruby Kisses foundation, and I'm going to put it around the perimeter of the hairline so that it matches my skin. So something new that UNice is doing, they've added ear tabs so that on the sides they can stay nice and snug on our head. I'm going to put it on without using the ear tabs first to see what the vibes are giving, see if I need to adjust anything, and then we will get into the ear tabs. Oh my gosh, I haven't worn a wig in like a while. It feels so weird. Okay, I think I need to put a little bit more foundation on here. Now, if anyone is trying to clock you and they're coming up this close to you, you need to tell them to back it up. So the reason why they added ear tabs is because when you do a glueless wig that's all the way around, it's gonna need a little bit of extra security. When it just goes up here, like the 4x4, the 5x4, whatever, no ear tabs needed, but these need a little bit more security. So we're gonna go ahead and get the ear tab adhesive popping. Find where I want it to be, right here looks good. Ear tabs. Stick them down. It's kind of like built-in glue. She's secure, okay? It's giving security. Please come and remove this. No, secure. For some reason, today it's giving side part. And I love that we have enough space to do so. So I think I'm gonna do a side part on this. Wait, did this just make me look 30 years older? Side parts are still in, so don't let the millennials fool you. Or is it Gen Z? What am I again? Just stay with me, you guys. It's gonna come out cute. Give me a second. So I'm just gonna define the curls with some water and some gel and use medium to small sections. And I just wanna give you guys a little bit more information about this unit. It's a 20-inch kinky curly wig. It's 150% density. And this is the wig for the girls that don't know how to do wigs. It's a great starter wig because it's pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached. The hard part is already done for you. You just pop it on your head, customize it a little bit, and you're good to go. Okay, I put on a little bit of, makeup, just a little bit. And now we're gonna take this off and see what we're working with. Yeah, I think I want like this to be pushed back. Yes, that's the look we're going for. Okay, I'm gonna take some She Is Bomb Edge Control and I'm going to put it on the hairline just a little bit so I can have that like pushed back look. And then over here, we're gonna push it back as well. Oh, shit. Oh, are we speaking in tongues? Not you being cute. Now, if I knew how to do baby hairs, I would do a little razzle dazzle, but that's really not my ministry. So this just might be where we park it. This is cute. All right, I'm on. I wouldn't be me if I didn't cut it just a little bit because there's like some stragglies down here that aren't gonna make the cut, so we have to do something about that. Don't be mad at me, but these are the only stitches I can find right now, like the scraggly ones. So we're gonna make it shake. You know, I always gotta just shape it just a little bit. Yeah, it's already looking better. And the front pieces are a little too long, so we're gonna cut these a little bit too, and I always like to do a little angle. Oh, I love it. Yep. Yeah, I'm a side part girly now. I love it. I love it. Talk to me nice. Push it and like put some behind the ear and tell me it's not eating up the girls. Okay, well, anyways, this is the final look, you guys. I love it. So this is a full like 13x4. So if you want to like put the hair up, you know, I'm not fully equipped to be doing stuff like that. But, oh, wait, hold on. We could do a little, I just want to give y'all some options, okay? Versatile queen is she. This side looks really cute. This side looks cute too. Okay, hold on. You can do one of these, put the claw clip in the back, and then have it down. This is cute too. Stop, you cutie. Sorry, I'm feeling myself, but I haven't worn a wig in a little bit, so I forgot how versatile they can be. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where's Waldo? I don't know. So this is cute. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. All of the information will be in the description box below. Shout out to UNice Hair for sponsoring today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.